Well, I am Enrique Betancourt. I'm in Remedial 5, and my student number is A00511-2C73. We're going to present Bangkok.
My name is Luis Hernandez. I'm in Remedial 5, and my ID number is A011558877.
My name is Carlos Carrillo, and my student number is A0113457.5.
Well, Bangkok is the capital of Thailand, and it has a population of 1,000, a land area of 1,010 square kilometers, and its borders are in the north, Pathum Thani in the south, the Gulf of Thailand in the west, Samut Sakhon in the east, Chachoengsao, and it has a lake, a big lake that is the Chao Phraya that crosses the city, and it is 372 kilometers long. And Bangkok is known as the East Venice because of this river, and the structure, for example, the houses are near to the river, and because of that, Bangkok has several problems with flooding, because the city is 2 meters over the sea level. And here is the map, and well, here's Bangkok, and the globe, and here is the more or less specify the cities. And while the population, Bangkok has 8,280,925 abitants, according to the census realized in 2010. It is a cosmopolitan city, and it has people from Japan, China, from more Asian countries, from Europe, from the American continent, and the majority of the people have Thai origins, and it's the most practice in the religion is Buddhist with 81%, but other religions are Islam, Christianism, Hinduism, and Confucianism. Well, the Chinese people is the largest ethnic group. They have a ghetto that is called Yaowarat, and they had an important play an important role in the city trade.
Okay, Bangkok have a moderate rate of crime. The principal social problem are the traffic accidents, because have a lot of cars in the road. And the more rare social problems are the natural disaster. And the intermittent episode of political unrest take a lot of life of people to the distorted. And according to the political statistics, the most common crime on this city is the housebreaking, and followed by assault and murders. In infrastructure, the city started to grow, and with the globalization, we can find a lot of builds or skyscrapers of financials, hotels, and to the shopping malls like Siam and Rajsapram is one of the most bigger shopping mall of the country in Asia. And in the transport terms, they have the roads in public public transportation, they have the buses, rail system, and taxis that are different of other countries. And to come with the airport and water transport.
Cultural. Bangkok has a popular street that we can see. We can find people to sell like groceries, electronic devices, and many things that people want to buy. One problem is that the government only accept many markets, and we have like clandestine markets. Ratchatham Avenue is annually decorated for the celebration of King's birthday. The residents of Bangkok celebrate many festivals annually. For example, we have the Loy Kathan, that is in November. We have the New Year's celebration, and we have this, and the New Year's. Samloa is the site of the Tai Kai from sport and music festival, usually held in March. Bangkok is the center of Thailand's media industry. All national newspaper, broadcast media, and major publishers are based in the capital. These are the newspapers. The sports, we have the kickboxing and the Muay Thai. And here in Mexico, we adopted the kickboxing and the Muay Thai. Art. The National Gallery is the most important museum in Bangkok. The economy. The economy of Bangkok is good. It participates in the 6 good economies in Asia. We have Singapore economies, Japan economies, Chinese economy. Its GDP is from the gross domestic product is from 29.1%. We have the market that I mentioned here, and the sky is green. Bangkok economy ranks as the 6th among Asian cities in terms of per capita after Singapore, Hong Kong, and Tokyo. Bangkok has the automotive industry that is very important from Thailand. Bangkok has a stock market, the most important in Asia. The Globalization and World Cities Research Network ranks Bangkok.
Well, the relevant aspects are that, well, I think that the most relevant is that in Bangkok was filmed Hangover 2, the movie, and Bangkok has hosted the action game 4 times, and has several cinemas. And most of the movies are translated into Thai, but you can see and hear in English too. And that's it.